Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, and I have a couple of things to discuss with you guys. First of all, this video is how to delete your watch later playlist, and the reason why I'm making this tutorial is that there has been a new policy update on playlists. And what this means is that if you are creating playlists, it should adhere to the same policies uh, which your videos are having, and no misleading thumbnails, titles, description, etc., and all the inappropriate content as well. However, there is another issue, and a lot of people on Twitter, Team YouTube has stated that because of their watch later playlists, they have received community guideline strikes. Now, I have heard about this. Just to be on the safe side, my friends, what you should do and what I did is removed all the videos that were not relevant to the playlists. And also, my friends, as you can see at the very bottom, two playlists are missing: watch later and what do you call it, this other playlist, favorites playlist. It's missing, my friends. So all you need to do is go to your YouTube Studios and click on this playlists page, and you will see these two playlists which are privated somehow. But you need to make sure that either you delete them, and also make sure, if you are not willing to delete, maybe perhaps adhere to the YouTube terms of services on those privated playlists as well. So this is my advice to you, my friends. So what I'm going to do right now is go over to YouTube. This is Theo Joe's channel. So I'm just going to add this to my save to watch later playlists. You see it is saved, and now I'm going to refresh this page just to show you guys the privated playlist that has just been created. And I'll have to search for it, my friends, because it's not showing anymore. Wait. I'll go to my channel. I'll have to go to playlist section once again, my friends, just to show you guys, because this is a very important step. As you can see, my playlist has been wiped out, favorites and watch later, and I was very scared, to be honest with you. Oldest created, I'll try to check it. Nope, there is no such playlist. So what I'm going to try to do, my friends, is just simply hover over my mouse over any of the playlist. If you see the watch later playlist, just go there, go over to my channel, go to the playlist section, and click over to edit playlist, and just simply there are two methods, but the watch later one, my friends, this is a very tricky one. It won't work. The three dots and then delete playlist feature doesn't work for watch later. So manually you have to remove from this playlist. You have to manually delete each and every video from the playlist in watch later, my friends. So this is how you have to do it, my friends. I'll repeat, you have to manually delete each and every video from the watch later playlist. And I hope this issue will be resolved for you guys. Please let me know in the comment section below, and also read the terms and services policies on playlists. It is a very helpful tool from Google Support official website. I'll be signing off. Take care.